Welcome back everybody. So guys, here there is another element, the settings. I'm just gonna go there. Okay, and it's opened. And now in the settings you have a lot of settings, just only the settings. First of all, you can see the general settings like the site title, the tagline. In the site title, what you can do, you can update the site title. You can see that the updated WordPress. I'm just gonna show you how you can just remove the updated for now. And we are learning the WordPress, so I'm just typing I'm learning. You can see that here the updated WordPress for learning purpose. We are learning WordPress etc. The site URL, the WordPress address URL, and then the admin email address, the membership. Anyone can register. If I just click on anyone can register, then anyone will be able to register by the login page, as I just said to you that there was not a sign. The new user default role, new user can be an administrator, but you should never ever select the administrator, because anyone can register. And if you just tick out on anyone can register, then you should never choose the administrator, because anyone can be an administrator and can delete yourself. So if you're just not choosing the anyone can register, then you can choose the administrator, because this will be in your hand, by the way. So right now it's on subscriber, then the site time zone, it's on UTC 0. You can choose your time, whatever your time is, or if you think that it's perfect. By the way, the date format, you want to make this one, that one, or that one, the FJY. This is the PHP coding. Well, the time format, this one, that one, or that one. You can see that all of them are different. By the way, week starts on Monday, Sunday, the Tuesday, whatever you day you want to select as the starting of week. This the basic settings, the language. I just choose the English. Just click on the save and save changes, and then after it's saving, just refresh. Now you will see that now you can see that the updated has been removed. That means it's awesome. I just need to go to the writing area. When I just clicked on writing, then default post category, the health or uncategorized. You know that the default post category means you just didn't select any category, then the post will go to the uncategorized for now. You can change it to health, or you can create a new categories, whatever. The default post format is standard, should be in standard, or the aside, or the chat way, the code way, the status way. The default should be standard. Then you know that you can change the post format as well. Then if you just want to post the WordPress by mail, you must have to set up the email account with the POP3 access and etc. There are something which is not necessary for you for now. By the way, you can put your login name, the login password for your mail server. Then you have to mention your mail server details in the writing area more. If I just go to the reading, then what is it there? I just clicked to the reading, and now front page displays. Do you want to show your latest post, or do you want to select your static page? You just know about this because we just already worked on it when we was just customizing the website. By the way, you can select any of the static page which we have, and in a post page you can select the about us page again, because there is only one page we have, the about us page. So I just want my latest post on my front page, not the static page, by the way. Now, how much post do you want to show in a single page at a single time? I just want to show 10 posts. You can change the timing, and the syndication feed show the most recent 10 items, or more than that, or less than that. By the way, for each article in a feed, show how much you want to show in the feed for every article. The only summary, the full text. I just want to show the summary only. The search engine visibility. Discourage search engine from indexing this site. Okay, now it's up to the search engines to honor this request. Okay, this is up to search engines. This is another interesting thing, but basically if you just discourage the search engine, that means you're just not allowing people or the search engines to access your website and list your website, or you can say index your website on their pages. This is very dangerous if you're just working on a public site, but if you're just making some kind of private website, then you should tick mark on it, because that website will be the private one. But if you're just making some kind of public website, you want to share something you have with the world, so never ever tick on the discourage button. Just click on the save. Then again, well, I just didn't make any change, so don't need to click on save changes. In the discussion, you can see the items like default article settings, other comment setting. I'm just guiding you about that. Attempt to notify any blog linked to from the article. I just ticked on that. This is the by default tick, the checkbox. By the way, allow link notification from other blogs, the pingbacks and trackbacks on new articles. Allow link. Yeah, I just allowed people to post comments on new articles. So I just allowed the mean of the people post comment means anyone can comment on your post from now, on your any of your posts from now can comment. The any people, allow people, because I just allowed the people. This is the by default setting. You can change according to you. By the way, the other thing is other comment setting. Comment author must fill out name and email. So this is another interesting thing, that if you just want to put the comment, then you should put your name and email. User must be registered and logged into comments. Now there is another thing that which is not checked out for now, that if you just want to comment, then you should be registered and logged in. For now, anyone with the email and the name can log in. Automatically close coming on articles older than 14 days. You can check out this on, but this is not the checked for now. Means you're not allowing anyone to comment on the article which was 14 days older, but I'm not ticking. By the way, you can change the value. You can put the 400 days or 4,000 days, whatever. Then enable treated nested comments label deep. Yes, I just ticked on, and it means this is for just for nested comments, that they will be treated 5 levels. You can change the levels too. Now break comments into pages with 50 top level comments per page. Yeah, I just didn't tick on this, but you can tick on this. For example, you just want to get only 50 comments, top level comments on a single page, then the next page, then the next page. By the way, you can change the limit too. The next thing is comments should be displayed with the older comments at the top of the page. Yeah, exactly. And then email me whenever anyone posts a comment. It's checked right now. That means I'm just getting email whenever anyone just commenting anything on my blog. A comment is held for moderation. So if anyone puts any comment, then the comment will be awaiting to the moderation, and then I can approve them by going to the comments area. The admin can approve them. If you have multiple administrators, so admin has the full authority, so any admin can do that. And then before a comment appears, comment must be manually approved. Before appearing the comment, it must be manually approved, but this is not checked on. You can check on it too. And the comment author must have a previously approved comment. Well, this is another interesting thing, that the comment author must have a previously approved comment, by the way. Then they hold a comment in a QA if it contains 2 or more links. This is another interesting thing. And this is the block where you can put any text which you just want. For example, I just want to clear you what I just want to talk, that when a comment contains any of these words in its content, like name, URL or IP, it will be held in the moderation queue, 1 word or IP per line. It will match inside words, so press will match WordPress. Yeah, exactly. If anyone just, for example, if I just put here the press and anyone put the press in its comment, so the comment automatically held on the moderation, because they are in the moderation chapter. They're matching in the keyword with the moderation chapter. You can blacklist the comments which has the names you put in this block. I just didn't put anything. The avatars and avatar image there, this is the avatar image things, the show avatars, the G for suitable audience, and some more interesting things about the settings, about the discussion. I'm going to the media, and there the thumbnail size, the medium size, the large size. Basically this is the in the media chapter there are different sizes of the image. You can change the sizes too. And the uploading files, organize my uploads into month and year based folders. Yes, I just want that. By the way, the permalink is the interesting element. I'll just talk to you about the permalinks in the next class, because in the setting I just only love the permalinks, the settings of the permalinks. So guys, stay tuned and goodbye.